Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am not here, but I still need you to do a bang up job and do a really thorough job on today's assignment. We've been learning in our labs yesterday and our learning before that about tree rings and about ice rings and how we can figure out what the ancient climates were like. Using that information that scientists have gone over, we've taught you how they came up with that information. Today, you are going to go through and make a timeline. There are 12 times that you're going to go through and make. I've included the time period, the event or what happened, and then it goes through and it says the CO2 level, the global temperature versus today, and the impact. You are creative. You are ninth graders. You will be in high school soon enough. So I need you guys to go through, and I'm not talking down here with me in a high school setting. You will be at the high school. So let's act like it. Let's do a bang up job. You're going to go through, and this first one, it says 360 million years ago. Now, I don't want this to be done on the computer. I want this to be done by hand, but I can still go through and show you what it would look like relatively on my video. So we've got my line. It says that it was 360 million years ago. And 360, oh, there you go, edit. 360 million years ago, we'll put up a little line. What was it called? So we will put 360 million years ago, 360 MY. And now we need to scroll back up, and you're going to take the same. This was called the Carboniferous period. We were at 200 to 280 parts per million. So this is less than it was today. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to write down edit. Well, it's not showing that, but that's okay. And then I go through and right here I would say 200 to 280 parts per million. And we're going to say cooler than present day Earth. Okay. One more thing that I wish that it would do is show this, and that's fine. It's right here. I've got my line. Okay. Well, the next one, and obviously you're going to have more paper. You'll be able to use as much as you need. I'm going to go through and look up the next one. This is 252 million years ago. We see that it jumps. We see that the parts per million, or the amount of carbon dioxide, jumps through the roof. It's called the Permian extinction. Lots of things died. Massive volcanic activity released huge amounts of CO2. Let's see if this tracks. Well, if the CO2 goes up, what happens to the temperature? The temperature also goes up. This leads to ocean acidification and the Earth's largest killing event. This kills the most living things. So we will go through, and if that was at 360, now we're at 252. Edit, and now we'll go through, and we will put this line right here. And this will be 252. I like to alternate so it's different every time. So if on the top it says 360 million years ago, I'll probably go through and put 252. That's just my personal preference. 252 MYA. And then we're going to say that this was the, oh, I forgot to write on this one that that was the Carboniferous period on this first one. Carboniferous period. Okay. There we go. And now I'm going to be able to put this one. This was the Permian extinction. Permian extinction right here. And I'm going to put this one right here and call it the Permian extinction. Volcanoes release large amounts of CO2. We're going to say 2,000 parts per million. And we're going to say global temperatures are plus 8 to 10 degrees today's value. Okay, so I could also take this Permian extinction, and if I wanted to, I could put it down here by the year or the time. And this, I care that it follows and has all of this data in it. I also care that it looks nice. So don't feel like you need to rush, but this should be able to be done today. You have 41-minute classes, so make sure you get this done. I'm going to ask to go through and put in a couple pictures. Mr. Wadsworth, do you realize this is on paper? Yeah, go ahead and draw. One that might be good to draw, you'll see that it says Industrial Revolution. Well, figure out what the Industrial Revolution is. That's when we started to have lots of factories and burning lots of CO2. I need you guys to go through and finish this project, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks.